A tree in which the branches are placed in upland rise to deter termites. What a fantastic tree it is, introducing a nonang Cordia dichotoma of the family Boraginaceae. A nonang is a small to medium-sized, fast-growing evergreen tree. Its wood is used for temporary and light construction work, as well for making small boats, tools, tool handles, and agricultural implements. It is also suitable as fuel wood. Almost all parts of the anunang plant are used for medicinal purposes. The bark is applied externally to boils and tumors to hasten ripening. It is also used for headaches and stomach aches. A decoction of the bark is used as an antidyspeptic and as a cure for dysentery and fever. In powder form, the bark is used as a remedy for mouth ulcers. Infused bark is used as a gargle. The juice obtained from the bark, if administered with coconut milk, relieves severe colicky pains. The fresh fruit is used as a laxative and to help relieve chest pain. Dried fruits are used as an expectorant. The kernels, when powdered and mixed with oil, serves as a good remedy for ringworm. Aside from medicinal purposes, bark fibers are also used for making ropes. Leaves can be used for wrapping fish for cooking. Branches are placed in upland rice to deter termites.